Bluetooth not working on your Windows 11 PC? Getting a driver error or missing Bluetooth option? Yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth driver error in Windows 11 step by step so you can get your devices connected again. First, let's check if the Bluetooth driver is actually installed. Right-click on the Start button and then click on Device Manager. You can also search for Device Manager in the Start menu if you prefer. Inside Device Manager, look for Bluetooth in the list. If you see a small yellow warning icon next to it, that usually means there's a driver issue. If Bluetooth is missing completely, it might be hidden. Now, right-click on your Bluetooth device and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the latest version and install it if available. If Windows finds a new driver, let it finish installing. After that, restart your computer and check if Bluetooth is working again. If updating didn't fix it, no problem. Let's reinstall the driver. Go back to Device Manager, right-click your Bluetooth device, and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall, then restart your computer. Windows 11 will automatically reinstall the correct Bluetooth driver during startup, in most cases. Sometimes the issue is caused by a missing system update. So, open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC. If Bluetooth still isn't working, press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Bluetooth Support Service in the list. Double-click it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, then click Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply, then OK, and that's it. One of these methods should fix the Bluetooth driver error on your Windows 11 computer. If it helped, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more simple Windows fixes. Bluetooth